Hello, this is Yopi. Today I'd like to tell you about Tokyo Disneyland Halloween information. This is what you must know before you go. Now it's September, so the Tokyo Disneyland Halloween has just started. So if you will go to Disneyland, I will give you the very important information. If you like this video, subscribe my channel. So let's get started. What is this video for? Do you know what is going on in Tokyo Disneyland in Halloween? You must know this if you want to enjoy the event in Tokyo Disneyland. I will give you how to make use of it. So let's go. First of all, what is going on in Halloween season? Here is a poster of the Tokyo Disneyland Halloween. It says it's very scary and enjoy Halloween. So the term would be from 15th September to 31st October. I had just so the event information is here. First of all, Spooky Boo Parade. This is a special Halloween parade with all the cute Disney characters singing along with ghosts. Place is a parade route. I will explain later. And the time is about 45 minutes. It's once in a day, so please be careful about what time it is going on. And here's the schedule. It starts from 40 past 15, and you can watch it with DPA. Do you know what the DPA is? It's you have to pay for it, and you can get a very special seat, and you can see very clearly, and the characters will be say hi to you, that kind of thing. It costs 2,500 yen. You can watch it with DPA from the special seats in the particular area again. This is actually the parade route. It started from upper middle, and it's going from left to the right. And you can see the yellow line. Here the parade will stop and do dancing and singing. So these areas are very nice, and you can see the blue signal and the red signal, and if you see the blue one, it's a DPA area. So if you reserve the seat, you can watch it from there. And the red side here, it's called vacation package member area. So if you reserve Tokyo Disneyland hotel with a vacation package, you can see it in the website. You can have a very nice seat there. So the Spooky Boo Parade will be one of the most important things. You have to watch it. So please be there before 40 past 3. And if you come to the Disneyland, you can see the many decoration, and you can see in the middle the Mickey. It looks pumpkin, and it's Mickey actually. So if you go around Disneyland, you can see many decorations such as ghosts as well. Please look for it. Next, Haunted Mansion Holiday Nightmare. This is a seasonal transformation of the Haunted Mansion at Disneyland, using characters and themes from the 1993 Touchstone Pictures stop-motion film, The Nightmare Before Christmas. So usually it's an original Haunted Mansion. It's a very classic one, but it will be turned into a Nightmare Before Christmas version. So it's kinda fancy and not so scary, but it's very, it's got a mood like Christmas, not Halloween. And if you can see here, it's a Dream Garland sticker. If you ask cast, can I get the seal, or can I have a 40th anniversary seal on sticker? I think the cast will be giving you this sticker, and they're gonna write something, thank you or hello, that kind of thing, and then you can get it for free. And if you want to go into the park wearing Disney costume, you can do it. From 14th September to 31st October, you can go into the park wearing Disney costume. However, there's no place to change clothes in the park, but I think you can do it in the bathroom. On the other hand, you need to check the website, since there are many rules to follow. So if you wear something not related to Disneyland, you should not wear such costumes. So please wear something like related to Disneyland. About food, there are many amazing food you can try. First of all, like soft serve ice cream, pumpkin flavor, 500 yen. It's every year very popular and it's still very hot in Japan, so you should taste it. And another classic one, Mickey waffle, 800 yen. There's a maroon taste cream in the waffle, and it's got a maple sauce. It's very creamy and very sweet. Summary: the summer event ends up from 15th September. The Halloween event has just started. You should check carefully for the schedule of show and parade. Second, ticket price. So, if you come to Disneyland, you need to check the ticket price since it's different up to which day you will choose. Actually, the ticket price would be rose up from October. This one's September's ticket price range. If you can see in the Saturday, it's most expensive, and Sunday is 9,400 yen. And if you choose like a Monday to Friday, it's like 8,400 to 8,900. So it depends. If you come into Disneyland, the price will be different. From October, the price will be rose up, like a 7 and 8. It's the most expensive in the Disneyland ever. It's like a 10,900 yen. And the Monday to Friday, that will be rose up again. Saturday, Sunday, it's very expensive. So it's just before the Halloween season. It would be more than 9,400. So if you choose the day and check the price and pay for it before coming to the Disneyland. Is there any ways to go with a cheap price ticket? Actually, if you choose early evening passport, that would be 600, 500 from there. And a weeknight passport, it's from 4,500 yen. So it's really reasonable, right? So if you don't want to pay a lot, please choose early evening passport or weeknight passport. Summary: the ticket price would be rose up from October, so please be careful. If you have time, you should come on September, I guess. 3. New merchandise. Halloween products would be come out from 14th September. The number would be more than 70 products. So many products came out. I will tell you which one I recommend. First of all, cap. It's 3,500 yen. It looks very cute, right? If you wear it, it's kinda warmer, but now it's very hot. So, yeah, if you wear it, it looks cute, but it's a bit hot. If you see the back side, there's a message like trick or treat. Hold this cap from the back side to the cast will be giving you a chocolate, maybe. And next, leisure sheet, 800 yen. I really want it. Leisure sheet is very popular in Disneyland. Why? You buy it and you will, put it on the floor just before the parade, and you can wait for the parade to be started, and it's very, comfortable. Next one, Disney Beagle collection set. It's for the kids, very cute, right? 2,800 yen. Next one, headband. As you can see, there are 3 types of Mickey and Minnie, and if you wear this in the Halloween season, that can be a great costume, I guess. Next, trainer, 5,000 yen. Trainer is, if you see through, you can see Mickey, like a ghost Mickey in here. And after October, Japan will be getting colder, and a trainer will be better, I guess. Last one, Dream Garland. This one is a symbol of the 40th anniversary in the Disneyland. It's called the Dream Garland. You can put it in your bag, and you should wear this while you are walking in the park. Summary: popular products would be sold out very quickly. You should run to grab the Halloween goods after 14th September. Let's get to go. Summary: Halloween event will be started from 15th September. the ticket price would go up from October, so please be careful. From 14th, the Halloween merchandise would be came out. So, how was the video? Thanks for watching. Hope you have a wonderful time at Disneyland. And please subscribe my channel and follow my Instagram as well. Now it's Halloween season, so I will go to the Disneyland and I will give you the update of what's going on. Really? Which one do you like, Tokyo Disneyland or DisneySea? When it comes to parade, I think I would recommend Disneyland, since you can enjoy 40th anniversary parade and the Halloween parade as well. So its quality is very high, and if you say hi to Mickey, if you shape your hand, and the Mickey will be looking at you, and shape their hand to you. That's very nice, right? I'm 32, but I still love it. So, did you have any good experience in Disneyland? Please give me a comment in the comment area. So that's it, today's video. Thanks for watching. So, see you in the next video. Bye bye.